Hello, I'm at Terry's house. It's snowing. It's supposed to be 10 inches of snow today. It's about 4 inches of snow on the ground now, but I got to go back home and feed my birds and make sure my water pipes aren't frozen. But we had a wonderful time together last night. We did. It was wonderful. Hope everybody is safe and warm. I'm gonna look at Terry's birds out here. I don't know what we're seeing. But I moved the chairs and things up closer to the wall so that the snow won't cover the bird food, so the birds can have some food here. But now I'm getting ready to go home because they say we're going to get 6 or 10 inches of snow, and that may not be a lot for some people's where they live, but around here, that's pretty much. Well, there's a little bird there. They're so cute. You probably can't. I don't know what the picture is looking at. It's not looking at that little bird. Yeah, and I didn't go to school to become a cameraman either, but I'm learning. And beautiful little bird. You can see it good. Okay. Bye bye.